I want to show you some of the lesser known features of the Minelab Manticore metal detecting machine. First of all, I love going to England to especially detect the wall. So this one fits perfectly into a suitcase. This is how small it gets when it's folded up. Another thing, super flexible for your arm. If you have a long arm, you can just pull the button, do it long, short arm, do it close. If you're traveling, take it off altogether. And easy to put back as well. No, that's I really love this machine. It's very flexible. Going underwater, pop that out, put in your underwater headset, and ding ding ding, you find all of these gold rings in the water. Perfect, perfectly designed, great machine.